Hello, my name is Jordan Krizik, and here's my AEP 858 introductory video. So, a little bit about me. I am a school teacher in Kansas, Natoma, Kansas. I do pre-K through 12th grade PE, and then I'm also the ninth grade health teacher as well. Also, with teaching, I also coach. I'm going to be coaching varsity football this year, probably be head girls basketball coach, and I'm also the head golf coach as well. And then on top of that, I am also the athletic director. So pretty busy right now with getting ready for the fall season that starts. But so I am originally from Kearney, Nebraska. I went to the University of Nebraska Kearney. I did get my undergrad in sports management, and then I did my transition to teaching later on after that. During the summers, I work at the Kearney Country Club. I just mow the grass, so it's a mindless job. So I really enjoy it. I get to have fun, get some sun, and then I also get free golf as well. So I've been doing that probably the last five or 6 years. I also love going out to the lake. I grew up by a lake in North Platte, and then whenever I can go take the opportunity to go to the lake, I definitely jump on that as well. Snowboarding, kind of grew up snowboarding as well. Started at an early age. Like to go at least once a year. Usually out to like Winter Park, Copper Mountain, Keystone, Breckenridge, places like that. I am fairly young, so I do like to stay active. Try to work out as much as I can, or just doing active activities, I guess. And then I live with my brother and his wife, so he has two labs, so we take him on hunt tests. So like I do train a lot with my brother, help him throw dummies, set up stuff. We just went to one to last weekend in Lincoln, Nebraska, so it was a lot of fun doing that. So education and goals. So again, this is my first year teaching in Kansas. I did the transition to teaching. I student taught last spring out in Windsor, Colorado. I have family out in Greeley, so it was a nice place to go out there in Colorado. So some of my goals is just to become a better educator. I do my philosophy is to be a lifelong learner. So I mean, if I got to practice what I preach. Also, I would like to be an assistant principal / activities director. I grew up in a big town, so I would like to eventually go back to a town similar. So that's really my goal for this program right now. I'd also like to set a positive example for the students. I know, like with assistant principal, you're going to be dealing with students who aren't making the correct choices at the moment. So kind of disciplinary, working with them, getting to know them. Definitely want to influence them. You want to influence them to be their best selves, but also you need to build teachers to be their best selves as well. Want to guide them and show them how to be great educators. Data analysis and assessment, district data. So we are very data driven. So we do the standardized test, the state test, just like as everyone does. We get those tests back and see where we can improve. But we also do iStandard, Great Minds, FastBridge Learning, accelerated reader. FastBridge and Accelerated Reader. I mean, those are for really all grades. iStandard and Great Minds, those are kind of going to be the elementary, but have them take those tests to see where we could potentially do better in, but also reward ourselves for the hard work that we are putting in at the moment, to see how far those kids have come. So personal knowledge for PE and UIs. I mean, I use data to show students improvement all the time. So like whether it be mile, push-ups, sit and reach, any other tests, whether it be even basketball shots, seeing where they started at and then the steps taken to improve, and then at the end of the quarter, in the end of the year, have them do those tests again, and then they can see how much they've improved. And I mean, they don't really know that they are improving till they see the end results. So what I could do is, probably improve performance for all my students. Definitely with reading and writing with PE. Sit them down, get the pen and paper out, let them show me how much they understand with the actual of the game or the sports by actually writing it down. Because it's one thing to play it, but it's another thing to actually write it down and know it as well. So that's all I have. So thank you.